Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something crucial for your health, your liver. Did you know your liver is responsible for over 500 vital functions, including detoxifying your body and metabolizing fat? If your liver isn't functioning properly, it can lead to fatty liver disease, weight gain, fatigue, and even long-term health risks. The good news? There are natural, doctor-approved ways to support your liver, melt fatty liver fat, and potentially add years to your life. Stick around, because we're breaking down 5 powerful liver detox hacks that you can start today. Hack 1. Drink more water and lemon water. First up, hydration. Water is essential for liver health. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your metabolism running efficiently. Tip: start your day with a glass of warm water and fresh lemon juice. Lemon contains antioxidants that support liver detoxification and help break down fat. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and avoid sugary drinks, which can contribute to fatty liver buildup. Hack 2. Add liver-friendly foods to your diet. Number 2. Eat foods that naturally detox your liver. Some of the best liver-friendly foods include leafy greens like spinach and kale, cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and cauliflower, garlic, which activates liver enzymes to flush out toxins, beets, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Try incorporating these foods into your meals daily. They help your liver metabolize fat more efficiently and reduce fatty deposits over time. Hack 3. Exercise regularly. Third hack, movement. Physical activity isn't just for your waistline, it's essential for liver health. Studies show that regular exercise helps reduce liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and boost overall metabolic function. Tip: aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 days a week. Walking, cycling, yoga, and strength training all count. Even small daily activities like taking the stairs or short walks after meals make a big difference. Hack 4. Limit alcohol and sugary foods. Number 4. Cut back on substances that stress your liver. Alcohol, refined sugars, and processed foods can contribute to fat buildup in the liver. Even moderate drinking over time can increase fatty liver risk. Tip: if you want to support liver detox naturally, reduce or eliminate alcohol, avoid sugary drinks, and limit processed snacks. Your liver will thank you, and you'll likely see a reduction in bloating, fatigue, and even body fat. Hack 5. Try natural liver supplements and detoxifiers. Finally, consider doctor-approved natural supplements. Certain herbs and compounds have been shown to support liver health and fat metabolism. Milk thistle protects liver cells and promotes regeneration. Turmeric reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Green tea extract supports fat metabolism and liver function. Always consult with your doctor before starting any supplement, but adding these natural boosters can accelerate your liver detox journey and improve overall wellness. Bonus tip: sleep and stress management. While not one of the main 5, don't underestimate the power of quality sleep and stress reduction. Poor sleep and chronic stress increase cortisol, which can lead to liver fat accumulation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and practice stress-busting techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or light exercise. Your liver regenerates most efficiently while you sleep. Outro. So, there you have it. 5 natural, doctor-approved liver detox hacks to melt fatty liver fat and support a longer, healthier life. Hydrate with water and lemon, eat liver-friendly foods, exercise regularly, limit alcohol and sugary foods, try natural liver supplements. And remember, small, consistent changes are more effective than extreme diets or quick fixes. Start with 1 or 2 habits today and build from there. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss health tips that can truly change your life. Comment below, which of these hacks are you going to start today? Let's help each other live healthier, longer lives. Thanks for watching.